Alright, so this is the continuation now of my first video about cricket lighting design. So let's continue now. I created the grid points for the pitch, the infield, and the outfield. Now we are going to select the luminaire, the perfect and exact luminaire for this kind of lighting design. So I'm not going to promote, but for now I'm going to use some of the Thorn products. And if you want to check, if you don't like to use the Thorn products, you can go and search some floodlights on the Lume Search. So it's on the www.lumesearch.com. This is the partner of Dialux for finding the perfect luminaire. And then go to the outdoor, indoor, facade, sports. Okay, go and try this sports and recreational facilities. Don't click the outdoor, so it should be sports. And then mounting, pole integrated. Okay, light distribution is symmetric or direct, or you go for the direct, not asymmetric. Okay, and see, yeah, so we have lots of floodlights now. So go and click the sports instead. Okay, and there you go. So we have different brands here from Norca, Cooper, there's from Televis, and lots of things here. So go and check that one. Okay, so I will use LED floodlights from Thorn, that Altis, and then it's already here now because I prepared it already. So it's here. I selected different beams, narrow, wide, and medium beam. So maybe I will use this one. So if you go to the CAD file, the client already mentioned where to put those poles. So it's here. One is this side. It's on the 45 degrees from the pitch, and that is usually the location of those poles because we need to avoid glare from the player's view. Alright, so we will just follow that one. So I will click this one now, the floodlight arrangement. Click it. There you go. And then place those arrows here. Click, it will snap it there. And then click something here. And then I will select one narrow beam, or maybe medium beam for now, here. And then I will add maybe 4 pieces. And then I'll keep the mirror horizontally and vertically, because whatever I touch it here, it will also automatically touch or adjust on the remaining 3 sides of the field. So that is much better. And based on the client's requirements, it is, I think, 30 meters height. Let me double check. So, oops, yeah. So it says mast height is 30 meters, and it's 5 meters away from the outfield. But ours have our own location. Alright, so go and use this one, 30 meters, and then insert. Alright, so let's go and check. There you go. So the requirement for the pitch is 500 lux, and now we are getting 900 lux. Amazing. Now then I maybe reduce the fitting into 2 pieces. There you go. I think this is perfect. So it's easy. Now we achieved the pitch requirement immediately. So it's uniformity is amazing. It's 0.75. And the average is already 511. It's just one click. So if you want to make the aiming point of your floodlight so precise, go and click it here, and then beam angle, you can say -40 or to 7 or 52. So but this time let's just keep it like this, and yeah, perfect. And then now let's go and check the infield. So the infield requirement is only 300 lux, and what we have right now is 180. So we will add floodlights to highlight these areas. So go and click this one, and then Control C and Control V. So you will have a different group for your pitch and for your infield. So because in Dialux regular you cannot lock the floodlights like in AGI 32 where you can lock it means you cannot touch it anymore because that is already achieved. So, but here in Dialux regular, there's no option like locking the floodlight. Okay, so what we are getting now is, wow, look at this. So it's already 369. Uniformity is not that good, but let's adjust it. You can see it's 156 here, so we need to add more lights here. And where is the lowest part? The lowest, actually the lowest, sorry, the lowest is here now. It's 174. So let's adjust it there and also there. So we're getting pretty close now to our requirements. So maybe I can adjust it from there instead of, yeah, because see, if I move it there, you can see those lit, it's very blurry floodlight arrow. This is the mirror of this one. Yeah. So 170, and also I will adjust it here. There you go. So we're getting a very good uniformity now. It's 0.56. Perfect. And let's see. So, oh, sorry, infield is 400 lux, not 300. The outfield is the 400. The 300. Okay, let's go and achieve the 400 for the infield. So now we only have 100. We have now 300. We will add maybe 2 more. Okay, let's add 2 more. Now we're getting 479. Perfect. We're not even touching it yet. Okay, let's do this. Maybe on the other side. Yeah, so we have 454 and 0.55, and we need to have overall uniformity for the infield to have at least 0.6. So we need to play with our aiming points. Okay, 0.53 then. There you go. Okay, now it's 0.60. Perfect. Yeah, it's getting 0.67 now. And you can see our outfield is also getting its good illumination. Alright, so this is the lowest area. So if I want to highlight this area, then I need to add more here. Yep. And here. Yes, so it's getting, or I may use narrow beam now if I want to. Then I need to split these floodlights now if I can do that. Wait, let me, so this is the highest area. I can maybe move the floodlights here. Yes, getting better. Yes, 69, getting closer. Maybe I can move this one. Perfect. Oh, but the overall the value is lesser now. So I need to maybe, yes, I will split it now, and I will change this one into a narrow beam, and let's see how it looks. So split, and then click this one, and then go and select the narrow beam. So this one is a medium beam, and I will select the narrow beam. There you go. So I received 0.65, and it's not good. Lux value is okay. Okay, here. And where is the lowest? So the lowest part is here. Perfect. So look at that. We received 411 lux average and 0.74. I think this is fine. Okay, my cow is crazy. Let's put it down a little here. Oh, great. Look at this. 438 average and 0.8 overall uniformity. I like this. How about our mid? Oh, this one, the pitch is becoming better because now it's 0.85. Now, our next problem is the outfield. So, it's 0.3, and the requirements for the outfield is 300 lux with 0.6 overall uniformity, or 0.7 if we can do it. So let's go and achieve it. So for now, I will add maybe one more. I will copy this one, Control C and Control V. So this is another group that I'm going to use for the outfield, and then I will aim this one. So it's the same medium beam. Look at this. So I already achieved 300 lux with 0.53. So now it's easy for me to adjust it. Okay, so I'm adjusting my floodlights now. Maybe I can change this one into let's go and try the wide beam. Wide beam is not good, so I will try a narrow beam also, and I will focus that narrow beam on the other side. This is too much. Okay, let's try the medium beam again and adjust it. So we have 0.54 and 305 lux. I adjust it more. There. See, now I have 0.60, perfect, but the lux value is less. It's only 278, and we need at least 300 lux. So this is the most ugly part because it has 167. This is the lowest value of point. See, 167, and this one is the maximum part. So if only I can change one of the fitting, maybe I can adjust it here. There you go. All right. Okay, I adjust this one. This one is okay. Again, I will adjust more, and let's see how it looks. Okay, my inbound suffers, so I will not do it again. Okay, but my uniformity is getting better because now it's 0.61, but the value is still less. All right, so I save it now, and then let me have another 280 lux. What if I change this one into wide beam? No, medium beam, narrow beam. Yes, it's okay, but the overall uniformity suffers. Okay, so let's just work on the 20 lux. Okay, it's just a 20 lux, and we need to work on it. Let's adjust this. So it says 277. Okay, I should not touch that one. How about if I move it? Yep. Okay. No. Alright, so the lowest point now is here, 173. But the value becomes better because now it's 284. So I'll need to work for 16 lux more. Okay, so what I'm going to I will adjust it here. 288. Okay, now I need a little more. What if I adjust it there? 289. Closer. My lux value is still okay because it's 0.6, and my infield is still okay, and my pitch is always perfect. So let's go and try this one. Okay, one more. All right. I think I love this. It's getting better. So I'll adjust it more. Okay. So it's 58, but it's 299. I will adjust it here a little. Our value is, oh, look at this. Now it's suffer. It should be 500 lux. Not good. Yeah, it's for 514.89. This looks okay, and the maximum point is in the pitch line, so it's okay. Ours is 417 with 0.8. Good. This one is only 3 lakhs. And the uniformity is not that much better. But maybe I can work on something like this. Oops. 300 lakhs. But the uniformity is only 0.58. So where should I move my thing? What if I move it down? No. How about if I move this one up? 0.59. One more move, but not that much. I think this is not cool. Okay, so let me have this move thing here because this is the lowest. You can see it's highlighted in maroon color, and this one is the highest. So I need to work on something like, say if I move this one. Oh no, it's 299 and it's 0.58. Let's not move that one. 300. 0.01 overall uniformity. And that's it. We're done. I need to maybe move this one a little up. No. Undo. Or maybe I need to say, how about if I move this one down? No, not good. What if I move this one down? Yeah. Okay. Oh my god, how can I pitch? Okay, if I move it a little down here. Alright, still the same. I will move a little forward. Still the same. Or if I move it a little, no, don't do a backward thing. Move it forward. Shit, look at this. It's 0.6 now, but it's 298. So my lax value becomes lesser. So what if I move this one a little down? 0.59. And maybe this one a little closer. No, not closer. A little down. I love it. There you go. So we receive 300 lakhs and 0.6 overall uniformity for the outbound. And for the inbound is 400 lakhs, 0.78. So amazing. And for the pitch area is 510 lakhs with 0.89. So the next thing you need to do is to double check those beam angles. So this one, sorry, 57 and 63. And how about this one? So if I made this one as GO and CO, then what I will get is 60 degrees and 62 degrees. So it achieved the tilting angle based on the, what standard is that? I think that is from the UK. Okay, so this one is the only problem because it's 75 degrees, while this one is okay. This is 65 and this one is, oh no, this is only 62. Okay, this is perfect. So everything is correct. So now we have our amazing lighting design for cricket. So Faisal, I told you this is very easy. Actually, it's not easy. We took, I think, more than 1 hour to do this. So, but if it's a big stadium and the requirement is CCTV where there is a vertical illumination, then you will take maybe 2 to 3 days just to aim the floodlights properly, because you will need more than 8 floodlights in one pole, because right now we only have 2, 4, 6, 8 floodlights in one pole. While if this is a stadium, then maybe you will need 14 to 20 floodlights, because you will need 2,000 lux on the vertical, while 1,500 lux for the horizontal. See this one. Okay, if you want to learn this one, go and check my Udemy course about cricket lighting design. Alright, so let's do and run a calculation now. There you go, false color. There's a little patchy thing there, and maybe we can adjust it later on. And then let's go to our report, which is the pitch. Says 510 lux, 0.89, amazing. Infield says 403 lux with 0.78 uniformity, very good. Outfield 302 lux with 0.6 overall uniform, amazing, amazing. Alright, so that's it for now. And Faisal, if you want to learn more, go and keep on watching my YouTube channel. I mean my videos in YouTube channel. And then if you want to enroll, go and visit www.udemy.com. And please, for those who are keep on waiting for the Dialux Evo Advanced, still Udemy still on the process of checking it, because there are so many courses now on queue uploading in Udemy today because of maybe the pandemic. So let's just wait for that one. They are checking those courses, so please bear with me. Until now, I keep waiting for that one. So these are some of my courses, and other lighting designer also features their courses here. So go and check them also, not only me. So I'm promoting them because maybe they are better teacher than me. Woo! Alright, so see you again on the next video. Tomorrow will be our indoor swimming pool lighting design calculation. Okay, so Faisal, I hope you enjoyed this video, and do not forget to keep on learning and always be happy and keep safe. Alright, so see you again on the next video.